it. It's going to look so...
You're there with a, like a t-shirt on.
Yeah.
There we go. Wow, that's deep. Wow, the theming.
Oh, that's awkward.
So with him.
A bad hand. Maybe just get
Got some
there.
serious arthritis. Arthritis? Oh.
Arthritis.
What ride's that?
I don't know. Oh my god!
Here we go.
Hey! Have you ever been on a water coaster?
No. Whee! That hurt. the knee cushions here. Oh, put your... I'll put my hands here.
Oh my god, yeah! That's a good idea actually. Bloody hell!
That really hurt my knee.
Yeah, this thing!
Well, might be some matches.
Yeah, but they're not dry.
That's a nice gentle boat ride, this is.
That's fucking brutal.
That is mad, that is.
You're proper shaking. You're trying to stop yourself.
I know, your knees hurt. Wow, that was close.
I know.
That was seriously close.
Silver Star. I did like Silver
That's a
Star.
good ride, mate.
Did you see that?
No.
But don't lock.
Oh! Alrighty then. Oh, it's the Trident horse. It's a Trojan horse.
Yeah, that's what I thought. This is more Pegasus.
Oh.
He's going to take a piss on him. Right.
Here we go. Whee! Here comes the big drop. Here it comes.
Fire!
Smile for the camera. Oh, it's alright, that's good. That's good, that's good. That's good. Woo! And there you go. Pegasus.